Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we have a news item about the threats around us by Google Threat Analysis Team. So they have issued a report stating that in 2024, there were 75 vulnerabilities or 0 days that were actually used in attacks. Some of them against enterprise, against governments, and so on. At the top, it says here 33 of those 75 targeted enterprise-focused technologies, such as security and networking products, and 42 vulnerabilities affected end users, platforms and products, mobile devices, operating system, browsers, and so on. So it is down from the year before, which was 98 in total. So there's a slight good news, but the Google Threat Analysis Team does say don't be too happy because these are ongoing and they are very, very important. Once again, especially when they attack 0 days that are exploited in the walls, what happens is most of the time your security products do not react and have no effect. So this is where the updates are extremely important because they do protect you from all of these types of attacks. So they are some of the major attacks going on right now in the malware world, basically, as they are trying to target pretty much everybody, from the end user, from you and me, all the way to, of course, government and enterprise for corporate secrets, for example, stuff like that. But it's interesting to see. And if we look at since 2019, 2019 was 31, 2020 was 31, then it bumped up in 2021 to 95. And it's interesting to see that it kind of maybe goes with the fact that suddenly in that year, from 2020 to 2021, there was a lot of people working from home suddenly. Then 63 in 2022, back up to 98 in 2023, and 75 in 2024. So interesting report. Kind of nice to see, the vulnerabilities and how they are exploited, the end user and the enterprise, the difference. And, we'll see what 2025 brings. Of course, more 0 days and more exploits are going to happen. And hopefully things can get better. But there is a big warning that AI might actually help increase this number. Although, on the other end, a lot of security companies are saying that AI can also counterbalance the threat that AI has in security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.